good afternoon, and welcome to another video that's starting in my car. We are still spring cleaning, and you should probably add your car to spring cleaning as well. After all that winter driving and not really cleaning it, well, I know I didn't. Anyway, I also got to stop at the bottle depot first because I want to kind of get rid of my bottles before I clean my car, just in case of gross spillage. So yeah, we're going to end up at the bottle depot first, and then we're going to go to the car wash. I'm going to be taking the car back home. I'm going to wash the inside of the car, and that'll be fun. So welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to clean this out because it's in dire need of some tender loving care. So I'm going to try and give you like a tour. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's not that bad, but I mean, maybe it's that bad. Maybe I think it's that bad. So I'm going to come and I'll give you a tour, and then we're going to clean this thing, and it's going to be sparkling new. Scanning stuff in here though. Just like garbage. Why? Garbage. Change for the car wash, but I actually ended up using something else. I didn't even use that. They have a car wash card. I don't like all that stuff there. Mind you, my keys are not normally there. But just garbage from the kids. Nala's cover. It's not too bad back here. It needs a good vacuuming though.
It's been a while since
I smell a skunk somewhere. My dog's outside. I don't want her getting skunked.
Don't worry,
I want to see it in the yard, but where is it?
Islands where the time goes a little more my pace. I've been floating coast to coast, Bahamas to Puerto Rico. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. Just riding waves, cause I know no matter where the tide goes, the sun is on my face. Searching for treasures in my mind, I know I'll find it, cause the islands are showing me the way. I've been floating coast to coast, from Cuba to Mexico. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. Yeah. When I'm with you I'm home. lost because I know it don't matter if I'm lost because I know when I'm with you I'm home.
It's hot out here.
If there is a warm cup of coffee, if there is a laugh to share, it's with you. In morning light, you hear my story. Oh, and it's good to have a friend like you. There are times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel. Life is up and it's down, oh, it's all love, that's how you remind me. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. With summer barbecues to shake me, and midnight runs from red and blue lights. Wherever life seems to take me, oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. There are times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel. Yeah. Life is up and it's down, oh, it's all love, that's how you remind me. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. There are times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel. Life is up and it's down, oh, it's all love, that's how you remind me. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you.